In healthcare settings worldwide, a growing battle rages against invisible and drug-resistant germs. Pathogens like Candida auris and MRSA threaten patient safety, increasing the risk of hospital-acquired infections. Traditional cleaning methods, while essential, are limited in their ability to reliably minimize the rapid spread of these germs. Scientists believe there is a better way and are testing FAR UVC as a complementary method for these techniques. In 3 separate studies, FAR UVC technology's efficacy and safety was put to the test in a healthcare environment. The FAR UVC technology tested uses 3 krypton chloride excimer lamps that produce a wavelength of 222 nanometers. These devices include sensors to detect human presence and automatically adjust UV exposure to ensure safety. Scientists tested how well the technology would inactivate these germs, of particularly high concern in hospitals, in 2 patient rooms and 1 storage area. The results were impressive. Within a few hours, FAR UVC significantly reduced levels of superbugs like C. auris, MRSA, and even the difficult CRE and C. diff. This opens the possibility of providing continuous and automated decontamination in hospital settings. The device's sensors immediately reduced the FAR UVC delivery while people were in the room, resuming only when they left, making the technology safe for humans. Reducing the number of germs can create safer environments not just for patients, but for healthcare workers as well. The conclusion? Based on the data, FAR UVC light is an effective additional solution to traditional methods for mitigating the spread of infections in hospitals and other healthcare facilities. While more research is needed to confirm long-term safety and efficacy in real-world settings, it's undeniable that FAR UVC light has become a promising new weapon in our arsenal against superbugs.